Thank you for tuning in to G7 Sports. We're just doing a little exercise with my dog, another little training because I want her to take this same method outside of this apartment. Esther, eat. Esther, eat. Esther, leave it. Leave it. Good step to her. You gotta step to her. Part of training. The alpha dog steps to him, and she should get out of my way even when I'm coming that way. She should move. She laying down. That's submissive too. When they lay down, that means they submissive to you. Esther, eat. Good girl. That's a good puppy. Now another thing, you never want a dog to growl at you. See my hand in there? Right while she's eating. Esther, leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Eat. I'm not going to bother you no more. Good girl. Come on, let's take it in here. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. You did good today. Good girl. Eat. Thank you for tuning in to G7 Sports.